guys, I'm Wadacy2, and first of all just want to say hope you all had a great Christmas, even though sort of difficult times again, but we've managed to be able to spend time with family, etc. This is a look at and a review of the SUNNYLIFE sort of bracket and strap. It's like a lanyard that goes around your controller. Amazing bit of kit. I've always used things like this on previous drones for the simple reason that your hand's free. Now and again you may need to put the controller down on the floor with the older drones and do compass calibrations. I mean, same with a DJI controller, you might have to put it on the ground somewhere. Hanging around your neck, you don't need to do that. It does state it's for the DJI Mavic Air 2, and I think on the website it says Mini as well. But if your DJI drone has a controller like this, no matter what model, this is going to fit. So it's an amazing product from Banggood. Not had a chance to try it properly outdoors yet because the rain and wind here in the UK has been absolutely abysmal. But looking on the site, you know, Banggood, I think at the moment, sort of UK pounds, it's about £6.81 because there's a discount. But don't quote me on that, prices can change. But to me, amazing bit of kit to keep. And another reason, now and again, if you're on rocky ground or you can't put a landing pad down, or landing apron as some people call them, you need to hand launch. Now, I've done hand launching a couple of times, and when you're playing with the screen on your phone, you have to balance this like that with one hand to adjust your takeoff or automatic takeoff or mess about with your phone. When this is hanging around your neck, you can just touch and play. So great bit of kit. I have taken it out of the box. So there's a little bracket. Which goes onto the controller. Nice and sturdy, nice and thick there. Now there is a slot just there, if you can see it, if the light's not disrupting it. And that goes into a little slot on there once you've lifted that up. There is a little bit of a technique to doing it. Very easy to do. Let's have a look at the lanyard. Let's pop those out of the way. Again, very nicely made. Nice and thick. There's the SUNNYLIFE logo on it. An actual clasp, again, nice and thick. So that's not going to snap or fall off. It is adjustable as well. I've not adjusted anything on it. So what I'm hoping to do is, after placing this on with the phone, is sort of cut the video a little bit and then show it hanging around my neck and how durable it is. So in that part of the video, if it falls off and breaks my controller on the floor, then whoops. So let's put this in. Now once you've put this in, after each flight to store your controller, etc., you do need to take it out, but that's not an issue. It just goes in your little kit bag. Whether you want to use the lanyard and bracket, you don't have to, but it's there in your kit bag. Now the slots on there, very nice tight fitting, and I think what people may do, just show you where the phone slides in, they try force it on like that, and it doesn't want to go because it's a good snug fit. So where the gap is there, there's like a little angle on either side, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, again, doesn't matter. So just put it in like that on an angle, slide the other one in, simple as that. So that's now sat in there with a slot that your phone will go into. So it's a phone I'm going to use with the WAD C2 logo on the back. So just pop it in as you would do normally. Sits nicely in there. Just push it down a tad. That's nice and tight. You've still got your full controls. No issues whatsoever. So now the lanyard. Hold it out, it goes on. There you go. You're now hands free. So you can do whatever you want to do, either hand, while that's hanging around your neck. So to be fair guys, highly recommend this. Like I say, not just for the Mavic Air 2 or the Mavic Mini. If you've got a controller like this, it will fit, do the job. So I'm going to cut this video and add another one in a second of the strength of the lanyard. Great bit of kit from Banggood. Order it guys. Amazing, and amazing for the price. So see you shortly. Well, hi again guys. This is the bit of a strength test regarding the brackets and the lanyard. Let's pop the controller open. Like I say, technique for going in. Easy to do. Just at an angle, very slightly. Click the other end down. Push it all the way in. Nice and snug. Take your phone. Place it in. Sits in the groove nicely. So now connecting the lanyard to it. So that's on there. Hands free. So normally hand launching, you like that, and trying to hold your drone up in the air. Got my drone there. So you're actually messing about trying to do this, that and the other. You'd have to put this down, put that there, turn this on, turn that on. Perfect. So that's on there. I'm actually tugging at that. I'm going to do a drop. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That's still there. Second time lucky. 3, 2, 1. Still there, phone intact. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit. Can't fault it in any shape or form. You know, if you're not a hand launcher, hand catcher, etc., to me this is a must. You're just hands free all the time. Do whatever you need to do. If you need to go back into your kit bag to get filters out, etc., to put on the drone, you don't have to put this down on a bag. It's just there round your neck. Absolutely brilliant from Banggood. So highly recommended. So guys, I'll place a link in the description where you can purchase one of these from. Like I say, it's a must, and it's not just for DJI Mavic Air 2 or Mini 2. If you've got a controller like this for a DJI, it'll fit. So guys, thanks for watching and happy flying.